there, welcome to Tech by A Square. Today we're going to talk about ChatGPT, an amazing AI language model that can do some really cool things.
Hi A Square, I'm really excited to learn more about ChatGPT. But first, what is it exactly?
Good question. ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and it's basically an AI program that can generate human-like text based on a given input. It's a type of language model that can understand and predict words, phrases, and sentences in a natural language like English.
That sounds really complicated. Can you explain how it works in simpler terms?
Sure thing. Imagine ChatGPT as a smart computer that has read millions of books, articles, and web pages. It has learned how people write and speak, and it can use that knowledge to generate new text that sounds like it was written by a human.
That's amazing. How does it know what to write?
Well, ChatGPT works by analyzing the patterns and relationships between words in a given text. It uses a type of neural network called a transformer to understand the meaning of each word and predict what should come next. Think of it like a virtual writing assistant that can help you finish your sentences or paragraphs.
That makes sense. But what can you actually do with ChatGPT?
Oh, there are so many things. You can use ChatGPT to write articles, stories, or even entire books. You can use it to chat with a virtual assistant or a customer service chatbot. You can use it to translate text from one language to another. You can even use it to summarize long articles or generate code for programming.
Wow, that's really versatile. But how can a normal person benefit from using ChatGPT?
There are lots of ways. For example, if you're a student, you can use ChatGPT to help you write essays or research papers. If you're a business owner, you can use ChatGPT to generate product descriptions or marketing copy. If you're a writer or a blogger, you can use ChatGPT to get ideas or inspiration for your next piece.
I see, that's really useful. But can anyone use ChatGPT, or do you need to be a programmer or a tech expert?
Actually, thanks to some amazing tools and platforms, you don't need to be a programmer to use ChatGPT. There are several websites and apps that let you interact with ChatGPT using a simple text input. For example, OpenAI has a website called GPT-3 Playground where you can try out different applications of ChatGPT for free.
That's great to know. Thanks for explaining ChatGPT to me, A Square.
My pleasure, always happy to help you understand complex tech in simple terms. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech by A Square for more easy to understand explanations of technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.